we've been in Italy for 4 days, pretty much stayed in the same area, but today we start our Italian road trip. First destination, Florence. Actual first stop is for fuel, but here's our wheels for the next couple of weeks. Fiat 500X. Just had to get an Italian car for the trip, and this thing has been so fun to drive. I'm used to driving a big pickup truck, Chevy Silverado, and these little cars are just too fun. We're going through a tunnel. It's just a little one. Look at this, we got another tunnel. This one's way longer than the last one. I see a light at the end of the tunnel. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Remember that, folks. And then as soon as you get out of a tunnel, you're whammo right back into another tunnel. That's a good life lesson. Sometimes the tunnels are short, sometimes the tunnels are long, but there's always light at the other end.
You're such a philosopher.
I know. Almost there. This is cool.
Right
Here?
here, yeah.
Couldn't get much of a wider car than this one down the street. We made it. The car fit. Just barely through some of those alleys, but this is going to be our visit to Florence. That is incredible. With a bit of a line up here, but I think it's going to be worth it for what we're about to see. Been in line for a while, but it's well worth it, I hope. Just going into the Galleria Accademia, and almost there now, finally. So just got through security at the Accademia Gallery here in Florence, and it is quite an impressive place. There's one thing in particular that's very famous on display here. We'll be showing you here in just a minute. Thing was made in 1690. It's kind of cool. This is an incompleted work from Michelangelo. Way over there we have the star of the show, Statue of David. It is a lot bigger than I expected. They say it's over 5 meters tall. The amount of detail is crazy. So that was the Gallery Accademia. Really neat to see the statue of David in person. Way bigger than I thought. I think it's right around 17 or a little more than 17 feet tall, and there's so many details, but yeah, very big statue with a very little. We actually have some friends that are on vacation here at the same time as us by coincidence, which is pretty cool. So just on the way to connect up with them. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. We got some nice looking beef here. Look at that.
We got this one done. Wow. Okay, go ahead. Make it.
Thank you, guys. So quite the night last night. If you ever have the opportunity to have your birthday dinner with 6 blondes, highly recommend that. We had some amazing food. I'm still full from it here today. And we ended up actually going on this merry-go-round that was in the square where we were eating. Some of the girls are actually on a horse riding tour today, so we thought we'd do a little warm-up for them with the merry-go-round. Haven't been on one of those since I was a little kid. Today, though, we are headed for El Duomo. This is it. El Duomo, the dome. See why they call it that. Eventually, once we get in there, we're going to be making our way to the top of the tower. 463 steps. Here it is, Giotto's bell tower. Heading to the top. All right, we're starting to climb here. Pretty narrow. About halfway up. Maybe not even quite halfway, actually. Starting to get a good view of the city, though. Continue up here. You can hear the bell going. Hard to believe this was built between the 1330s and the 1350s. Up another level here. See the dome. An even better view of the city. Up we go again here. Heading to another level. I think it might be the last one. Thighs are getting a good workout. That's for sure. The old bell. The working bells are just above us. It's getting windy up here a little bit now. But it is beautiful. I thought we were done, but I think there's one more level to go here. This part is getting even narrower here. Gonna squeeze by here. Whew. Pretty much shoulder width staircase on this last leg of the climb. Whew. We're at the top here now. Heck of a climb to get up here, but totally worth it for the view. So, Duomo here. Wow. 463 steps. 92 meters. Heading back down.
Okay.
That's a good way to start your day. Today is my B-day, my birthday, 45 years old. And the one thing that I want, we've been away almost a month now. I need a haircut. I'm trying a few places to get in. Hopefully they got a spot for me here. Well, it is tough to top that for a place to celebrate your birthday. You're older now, and with the new haircut, I swear there's way more grays coming in, although my wife tells me they were there all along, but hey. So, back into the tunnels again, and we are headed for Rome.